Okay, students, we are going to continue the balance sheet of this problem. That is Vani Sandhya Chaya. Just write new balance sheet as on 1/4/2018. Yes, liabilities amount rupees, assets amount rupees. Okay. Now liabilities, how to write? Yeah, do not get confused. What they are telling? Creditors 77,500. Just copy and write. It's creditors, but please write in inner column 77,500. Why I'm writing in the inner column? See students, in the revaluation account, ಈ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 2000 ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ 2000 rupees ಬೇಡ, he is not asking that amount. ಈಗ ಆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್, ಅವನು ಈ 2000 ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್ 2000 rupees you have to minus, because creditor is the amount I have to pay. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 2000 rupees he is selling, he don't want, is not likely to be claimed ಅಲ್ಲ, so less minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 75,500. I'll repeat this once again. Creditors is 77,500, isn't it? ಈಗ revaluation account ಅಲ್ಲಿ we have taken adjustment, they are telling no creditors not likely to be asked ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 2,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅವನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ you have to less it. 77,500 is your creditors. In that 2,000 rupees he is not asking, so that means you are going to minus it. Okay, important transaction. Okay, I've seen it this in one exam. Okay, next capitals, write all the three partners name. Amount which you will take, yes, you will copy it from your partners capital account. ಈ ಮೂರು amount copy ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀ. Yes, see, I'm writing 93,600, 52,400, 40,000. Yes. Now assets. Assets first ಏನಿದೆ, see, cash at bank. Amount ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 21,500. Just check. Plus goodwill ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. Yes, I'm sorry, first plus not goodwill. Please, not goodwill. This is the amount what he brings. First idu 21,500. You can see this 21,500. Then the amount what he brings 40,000. So 40,000. Goodwill I am not writing here. I will tell you why. Add ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು you will get 61,000. ಎಷ್ಟದು 500. Okay. Okay. Next ಏನಿದೆ, stock 39,000 direct. Write it. Stock 39,000. Next debtors ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 60,000. Isn't it? Less PDD. PDD, how much it is there here? 3,000. Isn't it? But PDD has increased 3,000. So this 3,000 plus 3,000 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So PDD, yes, I will just write here 3,000 plus 3,000. That will give you 6,000. ಇದನ್ನು ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? Yes, 54,000. Okay, what did I do? Creditors, debtors, I'm sorry, debtors, PDD old ಮತ್ತು new add ಮಾಡಿ. Old and new you should add, you will get this. Next ಏನಿದೆ here? Furniture 10,000. Furniture 10,000. But there is depreciation, no? Check in your revaluation account. How much it is? Yes, 1,000. So you'll write 9,000. Building value is how much? 40,000. Yes, building 40,000. Appreciation ಆಗಿದೆ building ಗೆ, add ಆಗಿದೆ. See here, building appreciation add. So that amount you add 8,000. That will give you 8,000. Next last one ಏನಿದೆ, machinery 25,000. Right, machinery 25,000. Now the most important thing, students, see, goodwill ಬಗ್ಗೆ goodwill of the firm is valued or raised ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ you will do this. Normal entry, goodwill entry you will give to the old partners only. Then you are going to take it in the balance sheet. Yes, amount is 25,000 you will take in the balance sheet. I will repeat it once again. Whenever they give you raised or valued, please take it here. Now add all this. When you add, you will get 2,61,500, 2,61,500. Yes, see students, there are some other methods also. Goodwill treatment ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ accounting standard 26 ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಉಂಟು. Some people are following that. Maybe if you are going to other classes and all, you will know. But I am following this method and it is correct. So it is better last ಗೆ ಒಂದು note ಕೊಡಿ. Here you just write one sentence. I am telling see now. Just write. It is assumed that goodwill of the firm is not written off. Please write. It is assumed that goodwill of the firm is not written off. It is shown in the balance sheet asset side. Yes, this is the treatment as per the NCERT textbook. As per the NCERT textbook. Okay. Just write a note. I'll tell once again. Goodwill of the firm is not written off. It is taken in the asset side of the balance sheet. This is as per the NCERT textbook. Please write. Just safe side irlikke. Okay. Nan group alli I will put this audio message once again. Okay. Thank you students.